Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making Shanghai Scallion Oil Noodles. Now I'm not kidding when I tell you that this recipe is totally easy. It's vegan and only requires a few ingredients, some which you just have in your pantry, and it takes just minutes to prepare. Oil, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, noodles, and scallions make for a super delicious meal, so let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week.